Am I the only one who thinks this millionaire gaming crypto will actually keep you poor? Well, you see, first of all, gaming is a billion-dollar industry. Games are created by big corporations who create games to waste your time of building skills and making money. And the billions of dollars they are generating from selling games are being used for money laundering, crimes, and producing more useless gaming applications. Crypto, on the other hand, is called as an asset class by some people, basically by those who invested in crypto. But that tells us a new word, investment. Yes, investment is great if it is halal and legal and it's interest free. But before you invest somewhere, you actually need to make money, right? Now, the guy who is making this video is making videos about gaming, about cryptos, about investments, and publishing those videos on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. If this is so good, then why is he not doing it himself? It's because he knows this is the real asset. The views, the eyeballs being generated from these videos can be of high ticket offer customers. And when they buy from you $1,000 plus offers, you will earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission just by making these videos. This is the power of high ticket affiliate marketing. And the reason this is the best way to start for beginners is because you don't need your own product, you don't need selling, you don't need shipping, you don't need to provide customer support, you don't even need your own website, and you won't need gaming to waste your time. All you need to do is to make valuable, information-packed videos and follow this process by taking advantage of our 99% done-for-you program. To learn more about our program and how our beginner students just like you are earning high-ticket affiliate commissions, comment 99 and I will DM you with a link to a free case study.